Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to show you a super simple Python project, that's how to convert any image into black and white using Python in just a few lines of code. This is perfect if you are a beginner or even if you are looking to sharpen your Python programming skills with practical projects. So let's dive in. Before proceeding further, make sure you have installed the PIL Python image library in your system that we are going to use to convert our image into black and white format. Alright, so let's start. So I am going to first, from PIL library, I am going to import image. We have imported the image class from the PIL library. So as we have already know that PIL stands for Python Image Library, and it's one of the most popular libraries for basic Python image processing. And after defining this, I am going to create a variable called image path. In this variable I am going to insert the path of my image. So basically this is the path of my image. You can insert the path of your image that you are going to convert into black and white. Alright, the R in the path of the image is basically indicates the raw string, so the backslashes are treated properly. And then we are going to use the open method, image.open method, to store it in a image variable. So I am going to create a variable called image, and then I am going to create image.open method and to store it in image path. So here basically our image which is stored in image path variable, we have open it and save it in image variable. And after that I am going to create a variable called black and white image. So basically here we are going to convert our image into black and white. I am going to use image.convert method, and I am going to argument it as capital L. So here basically we have converted our image into black and white format, and more technically to grayscale format, by calling .convert method, and L indicates the luminance, meaning it keeps only light intensity and remove colors. Alright, and after converted our image into black and white format, I am just simply going to save it, and to save it I need to give it a path from where I am going to save it. So I am going to keep it into the same directory, and I am going to change the name to JPG and close, and I am going to pick 1. Alright, so it does not overwrite. So basically once converted, we save the new black and white image to the specified path using .save method. Alright, and if all the steps are completed, we are going to print the success message on the console. That image successfully converted to black and white. And finally we printed a successful message to confirm that the image has been processed and saved correctly. Alright, now let's run this program to see if it is working as we are expecting it to be. You can see that the message indicates the image has been successfully converted to black and white. Let's see if it is in. Let's refresh it. Yeah, basically why it was not appearing on the screen, because we need to use the .save method. So basically we can directly use this .save method with bandwidth image. So I am going to use this .save method, and in this .save method I am going to give the path of the directory that I am going to save. Alright, so let's clear it and again run this program. Now if the successful message is again appearing, let's see. Yes, the pick one image has been saved into the directory of our computer. So we can see that the image pic1 has been saved into our directory. So we can open it. We can see that we can compare that before applying black and white method. So and after applying the black and white method, it has been converted into this grayscale. Alright, so we can see that all the colors in this picture are converted to black and white. So guys, that's it. In just a few lines of Python code, we loaded a colored image, converted it to black and white, and saved the result. So basically this project is not only simple but also super useful if you want to build more complex photo editing app in Python later on. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome Python projects coming every week. Thanks for joining us. See you in next week.